If you have tried everything that you can to clear dandruff from your scalp and nothing seems to work, then it's time to try out this hair growth spray that I'm about to show you all in today's video. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So guys, in a pot I'll be adding a handful of pawpaw leaves. Pawpaw leaves contains essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your scalp and for hair growth. And I will also go ahead and add hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers helps to strengthen your hair strands and also clear dandruff from your scalp. After adding these two herbs into the pot, I'll go ahead and add water. The amount you'll be doing depends on the length and also fullness of your hair. Okay, so after adding them, I'll go ahead and boil it so that the nutrients are going to infuse into the water, because we are going to be using the juice we'll be getting from those two herbs. Okay, and make sure to boil this for 5 to 8 minutes so that it is going to boil properly and also the nutrients can be extracted effectively. So guys, the mixture is ready. I'll go ahead now and strain it out and transfer it into my spray bottle after allowing it to cool down for some time. So guys, this is what it looks like after transferring it into my spray bottle. Guys, if you don't know the importance of hibiscus flowers, you can go ahead and Google it yourself. But according to Google, hibiscus contains minerals and vitamins that will help stimulate hair growth, treat some certain scalp infections, clear dandruff away from your scalp, and also improve healthy hair growth. It also marks gray hair. Like if you're having premature growing of the hair, hibiscus flower is going to help you stop the appearance of premature graying. Okay, and also pawpaw leaves contains calcium, iron, and zinc, and these minerals are very good for hair. It will help strengthen your hair, penetrate deep into your hair follicles, stimulate hair growth, and also give you shine and luster back into your hair. You can use this as a hydrator so that you can then apply your hair butter to moisturize your hair fully. After applying this, I'll go ahead and massage my scalp thoroughly. Massaging helps to improve blood flow to the scalp, which will also help the hair treatment that you have applied to work effectively and give you the result that you desire. So this is me massaging my scalp. Make sure to massage your scalp whenever you do a hair treatment. Okay, this will also help clear any form of dandruff on your scalp. If you are suffering from dandruff, make sure you try out this hair treatment. All right, I'll also massage the nape of my neck and also my edges to increase blood circulation, and I'll also go ahead and use a plastic bag to cover my hair to further increase blood circulation to the scalp and stimulate my scalp as well. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. After leaving this for like 1 hour, I'll go ahead and rinse off my hair and moisturize my hair. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. See you all in my next upload. Bye.